Welcome, student. Uh, in the revision, uh, we saw many concepts or things from these two lessons. Okay. Now today we are going to see this personality, that is Leonardo da Vinci. He is recognized as an all-round personality of the period of Renaissance. He was well versed in different branches of science and art. He had a mastery over varied subjects such as sculpture, architecture, mathematics, engineering, music, astronomy, etc. But he became the world renowned as a painter. His paintings of Mona Lisa and The Last Supper become immortal. So, this is the personality, all round personality. Who is engineer, actually engineer. Okay. So now we going through this Renaissance, that is uh, from the period 13th to 16th century. In this period, many geographical discoveries laid the foundation of the modern era. Hence, this is called as a Renaissance. In this period, the field of art, architecture, philosophy, etc., are revived of a Greek and Roman tradition, which gives a momentum to the overall development. In this Renaissance period, the focus of architecture, writing, sculpture, philosophy changed from church to the human centric. So, in this period, human being humanitarianism gets very important. Before this Renaissance period, the church was a supreme, and the church persons, that is the priest, fathers, has a supreme power. In this period, the kings also revolt against the church and give a patronage to the different persons who are engaged in a sculpture and the expedition personalities, that is Columbus, Amerigo Vespucci, they get a patronage from the king to the search of new lands. So this period overall changes totally in the literature, in the sculpture, in the attitude or attitude of the persons. They become more. The human being became more realistic, and the impression of the church or a religion get down. So this Renaissance period called as a reform period. Okay, many intellectuals get birth in this period. They create their philosophy in this period. They write down many books on the philosophy, on the social uh, behavior. So this period is also called as the intellectuals period. They attack on the wrong belief of the church, the Christian priests who taking the advantages of the ignorance of the people. But in this period they are checked, their behavior are checked. Okay. Uh, in all way, because the intellectuals question to the church. Okay, so the freedom of a human and rationalism gets more importance in this period. In this period the kings also come out of the influence of church. So they patronage to the different peoples for searching of a new lands. So this period is called as a Renaissance era. Okay. There, in this period, many things are happened, such as American War of Independence, French Revolution, and many other things. Okay, American War of Independence take place in this period. Many peoples migrate from England to America, England to the new land, that is America. Okay, they settle there and makes their own colonies. Many colonies come together and form a movement against the rule of Britishers. The British Parliament passes many laws and impose it on the Americans. So the Americans denied or refused that laws which are made in the Parliament of England. They said that if we don't have any representation, then there will be no taxation. There will be no taxation. So they refuse to these taxes which are imposed by the England on America. So for that purpose, they throw down the tea from the ship, that is called as a Boston Tea Party. That is called as a Boston Tea Party. Okay, and the war declared against England. The England's army fought under the leadership of Cornwallis, and the Americans fought War of Independence under the leadership of George Washington. Okay, after many period, then America won against the England and declared himself as a United States of America as a federal constitution. They form a federal constitution, and this constitution is based on the democracy. So the new nations get birth. New nations get birth. While in Europe in 1789, in this period, the people fought against the chronic rule of the French king. So they revolted against this king and the feudalistic system in France. And get birth, and give birth to the new nations, that is new nations of French with the new values, that is liberty, equality and fraternity. So many things happens in this era. We have to revise it and make the sequence of these happenings in this era, Renaissance period. Okay, so let us stop here. We will continue with this revision with the different point in the next lecture. Okay.